What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever since watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are installing the Move Pre-Runner 2.5 bumper on the precision bumper, mind you, on the Platy Runner. And just one more step after I get married. I gotta wait till I get married, boys and girls. I'm going to be getting the 4-inch fenders from McNeil Racing, and it's gonna look so sexy. But today we're gonna be taking and welding the bumper over to our neighbor's house, one of Michaela's lifelong friends' brother. So he's gonna be welding it for us today, since I am at our new house and have no resource to a welder at all. So should be fun. I'm gonna take the bumper off real quick. It literally takes like 5 minutes. No need for me to record that because I'm kind of already running late and out of sunlight. So try to get it done today. I'm just gonna take the bumper off real quick because I'm pretty sure you have to weld this one on just like the Duramax. So that should be fun. And yeah, I'm gonna get with you as soon as we get over there. Peace. Yeah, he's gonna be on the spotlight.
Gotta put his, what's it called?
Yeah, but I'm gonna plug you. I'm gonna plug you, bro. You're gonna get.
Crescent Creek Welding.
You heard it here first, folks. Make sure you hit Crescent Creek Welding up for all your needs. He can build trucks, 18-wheelers, boats, anything you need, boys and girls. But anyways, let me cut the bull crap. This is my long-lost brother. And like I said, we're coming here. We're gonna get the bumper welded, baby girl. We got it all laid out. So we're gonna lay the frame mounts out here first, and then we're gonna get some measurements, get this ready to get tacked on to the main cross member, and then same as last time on the Duramax, you're gonna weld the side pieces after that. You get it all measured up. Then we're gonna do the end caps right there, and then I don't know what we're gonna do about this tube and stuff, but hopefully it works. If not, we got every day. We got all day. You know, I might call out of work tomorrow. I'm paying this guy $5,000 to weld this thing. So.
Are you kidding me?
All right, so we kind of strayed away from the instructions. Just got the sides on there, but it's gonna work out great. Got my full trust in Cordell right here. So yeah, all we gotta do is just measure the center point for these.
Yeah, we want to go from this corner to this corner, find the middle, and then we want to go from this end to this end, find the middle, and then we'll just put it in the middle.
And then have these tack welded on here, and then once these are tack welded, tack weld the end caps, and then take it off and put some beads on it. Should be done. All right, didn't record much getting it set up. Don't got my tripod, but that worked out pretty well. All we had to do was drop the brackets a little bit, and then everything's seated in there with no gap like it was before. So I'm just gonna lay some beads on the inside and the outside, and then mount these end caps and fog light holes, and then should be able to slap it on the truck. Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of the bumper build. It has been a very long day at work, and the humidity has dropped below 85, so it doesn't feel too bad. We just grinded down everything on the bumper, sanded it. I've had it about over a month, and I just feel bad having it sit here any longer. So I've been dying to paint it, and the humidity has been killing me. So got the air gun all hooked up. All we gotta do is mix the paint. We went to absolute black single stage. Same thing I kind of did with the Nardo gray bumper. I got it paint matched to a single stage as well, so shouldn't be too hard. The instructions are very simple. Just get your reducer and hardener, along with the, I think I got a quart or pint. No, I got a pint of paint. That should be plenty enough reduced to do this bumper. So without further ado, let's get it. gun's not the best. It's kind of spraying a little heavy, but get the idea. That's what she's looking like after the first coat. Not bad. Definitely could have did a little more body work on it. Got it a little more perfect, but they turn out pretty good, and there's gonna be a lot going on with that truck anyway, so you're not gonna be able to notice everything. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm tired of the heat. Well, here it is with 2 coats. Got a little bit of runs in it, but like I said, I ain't too worried about it. If I ever want to get it perfect again, now it's already painted, I can just sand it down and make it 100% perfect, but I'm on a little time crunch, so it is no big deal in my eyes. Now, soon to be ordering the fenders for that. 6-inch Fiberworks Liberty style fenders, so that's gonna look amazing. And then I'm pairing all these lights in here with Lasfit. I have the new Nitto Baja Designs ditch lights on there, and I have to order some new moto headlights because they are the lenses are starting to get a little cracked and whatnot. Today we have another Lasfit install right here, and now these are going to pair with the ones I kind of took off from the ditch lights. I got Baja Design ditch lights from Nitto, Nitto Pit Crew, shout out, and I'm going to put these yellow Lasfit fog lights in the bumper. So now I'm going to have all Lasfit stuff in the bumper, and I have a 30-inch smoke light bar going in the middle of the grill, or the bumper. So these are the Lasfit 3-inch pods. Very bright, very bright. I hooked up the white ones to the stock fog light location. I put a 2-pin bracket on there, or plug, and these right here, these will be going in the middle, and I'm going to be tapping these into the ditch lights up here, so that way whenever I do need ditch lights only, excuse me, I can turn them on and cut through the fog, whatever you're trail riding at night, in the morning, and the fog is just too foggy. I cut on yellow and it cuts through fog, if you didn't know that. So these will be getting installed on the bumper as well. So come with me, show you a little unboxing, and then we'll get right to it. Alright, don't mind the mess on the toolbox. I recently, probably the last 4 months, I took up tinting on the side, so got some razor blades and stuff over here. They're snapped apart, but anyways, upon unboxing, you're going to get this nice quality packaging. I'm going to take these out first. Oh, not that one. And then here is the light. Beautiful as always. And here is this one. And now we have to install them with the install kit. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'll show you the process of all installing them to the ditch lights I have. Got my truck got my truck 4 scanned as well, so check this out. Ooh, yes. Do. Got it. And that's how you put together that. And, you know, it's very simple, very simple. 2 bolts, some washers. If you go into my pod light video, already got that down. So anyways, very self-explanatory. Put the bolts in, put the washer in, and then it's pretty tight. So anyways, now we're about to put these adapters on here, and I'm going to splice into the ones on the hood, like I said. So I'm going to come over here, splice this, and I'm going to run it down, and then we're going to install it right here, obviously. So I'm going to go and put these adapters on. Every Lasfit pod that I've ever had here recently has had these, and like I said, it comes right here, and it kind of like lets you do what you need to do with it instead of having this big plug, which is nice. Alright, we have power. We have power. I got one mocked up right now, but yeah. Just wire netted it up here. I'm gonna electrical tape that, tuck it in the fender. I have it ran down to the right side right here. Here is the wiring if you're curious. This is the stock harness for the fog light. So that worked out perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. That's pretty dang bright. That's pretty bright. So up top I have the Baja designs, and then these are the Lasfits. So I'm gonna go get my keys and so I go get a little B-roll action for you guys. that does it for today's video. If you did like today's video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to your boy. And huge shout out to MoveBumpers once again, as well as Lasfit, as well as Moto. All my huge sponsors coming into this F-150 Raptor build. I'm going to be ordering the Fiberworks fenders. I was going to do McNeil, but Fiberworks has had like a 3 to 6 week lead time. McNeil was like 8 to 12 weeks. So the sooner the better. But anyways, gonna be ordering those soon and gonna be getting somebody to paint those for me. So it'll look really nice and I cannot wait to show you guys the build. As always, until next time, my family. Peace.
I need the ice and the cream. Kicking shit, need a car, Billie Jean. Saying gang come with a gloss of beans. I be high and I'm fine on the scene. Money bulging and buzz out of jeans. Man, I need me a fat ass squeeze. Hold a piggy, I'm sipping my lean. And baby, it is what it seems. I'm on a whole nother level for sure. MMA like I'm hitting them with elbows. They be snitching and bitching, I know that they told. They be breaking the code, man, it's all about the bro. But I'm not in the game, I can't fuck with the hoe. When I hop on the stage, they be ripping my clothes. We gon' fucking record and I'm not gon' expose. This is a letter that I never wrote. Please believe me, baby. Get on your knees and pay me. Perking the addy, I'm faded.